guys. So real quick, I need to touch on something that a lot of people are having problems with. And look, to be honest, virtually, it is even more important for you to read all the directions I put out there. Having that said, if I skip a direction, I will take ownership. But if you guys are not reading the entire module and everything that I'm putting out there, it's just making so much more work for everybody. So, number one, attendance. If you are having to be asked for permission on the form, you're probably not in your Katy ISD login. Okay? So, log in with your Katy ISD username. I have it set that only Katy ISD students can access that form. Ergo, if you're logged in with an iCloud, Google, whatever, a Gmail, it's not going to let you in. Okay? Number two, if you're asking for permission for the slides, you should just make a copy of the Google Slides for the All About Me Netflix template. And the attendance requirements, if you do not submit that form, I'm going to have to count you absent. There's too many kids for me to backtrack and who said what. So unless you know you're going to not be there, you need to submit an email to me. That's fine, but you have to do the Google survey. And that'll be on the modules, again, every day. So, the only other thing is if you are still having problems, you can email me, and we can maybe Zoom together and get it figured out. Today would be the day to do that. So, we'll get through it, but I need you guys to do those little things first so we can cross those off the list as potential problems. Thanks.